Hi, good evening, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are staying safe at your places and you all are in best of your health. And this is Rohini this side, a proud weight loss, gut health mentor and a skincare consultant. It's my proud privilege to be here amongst you all beautiful people, and I owe my humble thanks to Nikita, who has been a wonderful person and has given me this opportunity that I could come here live and connect with you all. Nikita has been a wonderful person to know, and she always wanted that I should come on her page and talk to her audience about collagen, about our gut health program, because it is really in and is really changing the lives of so many. So I thought, why not just give it a go, and here I am. If you all are watching me live, do write in comments where are you watching in, and if you're watching a replay, do write #replay. And if you have any queries regarding what I am talking about, collagen or gut health, you can always drop in the comments. If I'm reading, I would surely try answering, and if I'm not, I would surely get back to you after my live. And you can always contact Nikita if you have any further queries regarding collagen and regarding our gut health program. अब I would like to talk in Hindi as well, क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं maximum people से connect कर सकूँ, because there are many language barriers as well. So now, what is collagen? Collagen क्या होता है? It is, you must be knowing that it is the most searched word on Amazon or Google. सब लोग जानना चाहते हैं collagen. What is collagen? Collagen is an abundant protein which is found in our body. Just like water. As water is present in our body, 70% of body is made up of water. Similarly, the 30% is made of collagen. Collagen is there 30%. Now, where do we find collagen? In my eyes, eyeballs, in my gut lining, in my hair, in my skin, in my mouth, everywhere my body is made of collagen. And if we do not have collagen in ourselves, so what happens is we have so many age related problems which come to us. Now when you see that this collagen is available in your body here and there everywhere, so obviously why do we take it from outside? It is very important to understand that collagen is a protein which starts depleting in a person after he or she crosses the age of 25 or 30. Every year you lose 1% of collagen in your body. Every year you lose 1% of collagen. Your body depletes in making collagen. आपकी बॉडी उसको बनाना कम कर रही होती है, एज के साथ आपके अंदर ये प्रोटीन कम बन रहा होता है. तो अब when it is being made, it's automatically your body is not, it's depleting in making collagen. तो अब हम क्या करें? How do we take collagen? Because collagen is something which is the need of the body and your body requires it. अब obviously अगर body नहीं बना रही, we would have to supplement it from outside. Now, how do we take it and how do we supplement it? Now, you must have heard that there are many types of collagen available, like there are powdered collagens, there are capsules of collagen, and all these things are available. But do you think that they really can bring a difference? I don't think so. Reason being, collagen जो है वो कभी भी प्लांट से नहीं मिल सकती, कभी भी पाउडर्स फॉर्म में नहीं होती. Collagen is a protein which you need to supplement to your body, and it has to be in a hydrolyzed form. This collagen, which is a liquid gold, which I often talk about, is a collagen which is there in our in this, it is there in the hydrolyzed form, and the hydrolyzed form means it is a liquid form and it gets absorbed 90% in your body. जो collagen powders हैं या capsules हैं which are available, they are just, powders are just absorbed 30%. And as far as capsules are concerned, those capsules, they have, you know, a layer, a coating outside. So that layer also acts as a barrier, and it does not, you know, help you absorb the main collagen. And I am telling you, the powders available, the capsules available, they are not collagen. They can be collagen boosters, पर आपकी बॉडी को it needs the right amount of type 2 liquid collagen which gets absorbed 90% into your body. There may be, you know, there are some kind of bovamines available. There are kind of, you know, some pork, these bovamines are available, but they are no substitute to liquid collagen because their molecule does not match your body's molecule. And if it is not matching, जो चीज़ आपकी body के साथ match ही नहीं कर रही, वो आपकी body को क्या फायदा देगी? What matches is the molecule of this hydrolyzed collagen. It matches with your body type, and that is why it has great results. Everybody needs to supplement collagen, but the most important thing is, are we supplementing it with the right thing? If you are supplementing it with powders or these capsules, they are not going to bring any difference because they are not being absorbed. And this liquid collagen, this is multi-patented. इसके 7 international patents हैं. It is USA 7 international patented collagen, and it is most hot selling product of USA. People take it to reverse the signs of aging. You must have seen so many celebrities, they take Botox injections to look young. This has replaced it. Mind you, this has replaced it. Many people who have their joint issues and pains like that, they also take this collagen, and it has worked wonders. Trust me, many of my clients here in India, they are taking this liquid collagen, and some of them told me we could not, you know, sit, and we could not do a squat position, we couldn't fold their knees. They have actually started folding their knees, and it has helped them a lot. And now, why is it so important to take this liquid collagen? Because why is it so different? It has type 2 collagen. What is type 2 collagen? Our body produces type 1, type 2, type 3, these types of collagen. And when every year collagen is depleting in our body, we need to supplement it. Now we cannot supplement it with powders. As I told you, they don't get absorbed more than 30%. Capsules, they have a barrier. So this hydrolyzed collagen is the one whose molecule matches with your body, and hence what happens is that the type 2 collagen which is available in this our collagen, it matches and it can morph into type 1 and type 3. दोनों की वो form ले सकती है, इसीलिए it has given excellent results. Be it your hair issues, be it your skin issues, be it your joint issues. All people all over the world, they have used it. It is world's #1 liquid type 2 collagen. It has HA matrix and it has wonderful results. Obviously, you need to supplement it, and you just need to take it twice, just 2 spoons a day, and you get your glowing skin, your pigmentation over. Many of the people, it supports them with their alopecia problems and so many problems. And you can have the testimonials as well from Nikita. She has a great testimonials with her because it has got amazing history, and it has been used worldwide. This is one type of the collagen which is very good for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for your joints, because it is hydrolyzed HA matrix and it is multi-patented. Second type of collagen which is available with us is called trim. Now the name itself suggests, trim means that it would be something related to your figure, to your body. That collagen is related to giving your body a good figure, a body transformation collagen. It is like you just need to take 1 spoon a day and you get your body transformed. Now, how does it work? It is made up of HA matrix, which this collagen has, plus it has CLA. Now, what is CLA? CLA is a kind of fatty acid. You must be saying fatty acid in making us thin. Yes, fatty acid, omega, it is just like omega 6, and it helps in burning your your calories. It helps in improving your body metabolism, and what it does is it reduces the fat cells. We have fat cells around the around your belly. You have big fat cells, and what it does is it reduces the fat cells. It works on your belly fat. Ladies who have mummy tummies or people who have loose skin, they all use this product. All you need to have it just 1 spoon a day, and it works wonders. Trust me, that many people all over the globe and even in India now, they are crazy about it. There are many gym freaks who use this collagen at regular basis. There are many people who have lost weight, and they have some saggy skin, they have some loose stomach, they have fat over their under their arms and all. So what they do is, some people have fat on their thighs. So what they want is that they want this body transformation product. It would not help you in losing kgs. It helps you in body transformation, in giving your figure a good look. It works on the cellulite areas. It is actually called the fat blaster, the belly blaster, the fat blaster, and it really works wonder. And it is just taken 1 spoon a day. Even this collagen is multi-patented and has 7 international patents, and it is awarded as one of the best collagen from USA. Many people, they weigh on their scales, but some people are more concerned about their non-scale victories, and non-scale victories are fitting back into the clothes. Non-scale victories are having a great inch loss, and that is given by our body transformation collagen called Trim. Now, I had a client who was like, he was wearing 4XL size, and he always wanted that he should lose weight. He had taken the gut health program from me, and he lost 10 kgs in one round. And you won't believe that he was wearing 4XL size, but he started fitting back into the large size. And he just asked me, ma'am, like I have just lost 10 kgs, but it seems I have lost like 30 kgs. I'm fitting back into the large sizes. I said, you should be thanking Trim. Trim works wonder as far as your inch loss is concerned, as far as your body transformation is concerned. Some people, you must have seen some people who have same weight, same height, but they look different. The reason being, one may have more of muscle mass, one may have body fat more. So what does the Trim do? It balances both the things, the body mass as well as the muscle mass. So this is the role of Trim, and anybody can take Trim because it is dairy free, it is gluten free, it is sugar free, and it is one of the hot selling star product of our company and has worked wonders, and obviously it is multi-patented. Right now I come to gut health, which everybody has craze for in India. Besides collagen, what is gut health? This has always been making us different from our usual any of the weight loss programs available. We are not like yo-yo diets, we are not like powdered diets, or we are not like protein shake diets, that you have protein shakes and you lose weight, you have these powders and you lose weight. No, we are a gut health program that focuses on your gut health. Now, what is your gut? Gut is our small intestine. whatever you eat, it passes through your mouth to the esophagus, and obviously it reaches your stomach, right? And then from stomach it goes to the small intestine, which looks like this, a small pipe like structure which is like this, and food goes into this, and here is that all the absorption is going to take place. This is how it happens. You must have seen the diagrams of children of the intestines where it gives a look like this, right? So it is kind of that kind of, intestine is this kind of shape, and our food enters this. Now I'll show you by opening this. If I open this small intestine, what you would see is that on opening there are hair-like structures. These hair-like structures are present in your small intestine. आपकी small intestine के अंदर ये hair-like structures ऐसे present होते हैं. They are called villi, and they are responsible for the absorption of the nutrients of all the minerals into your body. So these villi play a major role in absorption of food. Now what happens? Many people say, oh, I eat less but still I'm not losing weight. मैं तो कम खाती हूँ पर फिर भी मेरा weight कम नहीं होता है. People happen. Why? Because these hair-like structure or villi into your small intestine, they are not in a working condition. So our gut health program actually works on them, and it brings them back into their normal working condition, and it results in the absorption of the food. What happens is, when you eat lot of complex foods, when you eat lot of junk food, a sludge is formed on these hair-like structure. एक चिपचिपाहट सी layer इसके ऊपर form हो जाती है, because of which whatever you are eating is not being absorbed and is not reaching the blood. It is not being absorbed because a sludge is formed over the villi. So what should be our purpose? So our purpose is this, that the sludge should be removed and absorption should be increased, so that whatever you eat is being absorbed into your body. And you all know that our gut health program, it is divided into 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Stage 1 is the detox stage, in which we give you the ample of food from which you can eat. We give you a list of proteins, a list of vegetables, a list of fruits, and you can eat as much as you want. For the first 3 days, we are actually preparing your body for weight loss, and it is like we are nurturing it with good food, and we do not want you to count and eat. You can eat as much as your appetite demands. And after that, we come to step 2. Step 2 is the main weight loss stage, in which we give you a meal plan which is made and approved by the nutritionist of Australia. The 6 PhD scientists and nutritionists, they designed this meal plan, and they have made this meal plan for all the people. So what is the science behind this meal plan? This meal plan works on mono eating. Now what is mono eating? Mono eating means you are given 1 vegetable and 1 protein at a time, and that combination is decided by the nutritionist, and they are very good logical combinations which go what quantity of protein and what quantity of vegetable would go in a combination. That is all designed by the nutritionist of Australia. And when you start eating by measuring these things and in these combinations, your body starts to lose fat and your villi starts coming back into their normal functioning. This is what we want, that the villi in the gut, they start functioning well. The sludge formed on them should be released, and they should be functioning well, so that you have good absorption of nutrients and minerals, and also they should be passed into the bloodstream. So this is how the stage 2 works, and then comes the stage 3, in which we raise the quantities of proteins, we raise the quantity of vegetables, and you see that when you start eating more, you are not gaining weight. Because it is very important for everyone to know that, most of the people ask me after doing the program, would we gain back? So I tell them that you would be able to sustain. So we teach them the golden rule of 80-20, that is the rule of maintenance, that it is not a short-term program that you eat for these many days and you lose weight. Our program is a lifestyle change program which teaches you to adjust and maintain weight throughout your life. This is actually the most important thing for everybody. Whosoever wants to lose weight, they always want that they should be able to maintain their weight. Now, what is the most important thing in this weight loss program is that when we give you this weight loss program, we cut onto your sugar, we cut onto your oil, we cut on to your certain things when you are doing this program. So obviously when you are on a low calorie modified diet and you are not eating sugar or oil and so many other things, your body can feel weak and your body needs certain kind of nutrition to support this weight loss. And for this we give you a vitamin support, a mineral support along with the weight loss, and that is from a most reputed chemical free live clean company which sustains when you are doing this weight loss. Along with the meal plan, you take this vitamin support and they go hand in hand and they help you in achieving great weight loss, and obviously your gut health improves. These days many people have issues with sleeping, issues with depression, issues with gut health. They need to be focusing on their gut health, and it supports their normal functioning, normal sleeping and moods as well. So because what I believe is everything's related to good food, right amount of food, right amount of nutrition. It is very important that you take all these things in a right proportion. So this was a gist of gut health program. If you have any doubts or if you want to ask me anything related to gut health, related to our program, related to collagen, related to skin, related to hair, related to joints, you can always drop in a message or you can always contact Nikita. So this was all, and now what is most important about our gut health program is that when I started I told you we do not promote any shakes, that you drink these shakes and you would lose weight. No, we focus on our real home cooked food with vitamin support, along with which we give you meal plans. Now a mentor, a person is attached with you for 45 to 51 days. That person is there for you 24/7 to monitor you, to be with you, because he or she has surpassed this stage and that person monitors you. If I am helping a client to lose weight, I would be attached to that person for 45 to 51 days. I would be daily in touch with that person and monitoring it. I am not like, okay, you've got the stuff, you've understood everything, now you go and come to me after 10-15 days. Maybe they raise their weight and they come back. So it is very important that I keep a check and I am in touch with them on everyday basis, so that I see that their weight is not going up and is falling, and maybe they might have any pitfalls, or they have plateaus, or their weight may get stuck. So at that point they obviously need me to help them to discuss and to see how these things can be fixed. So an important is a very important mentor, is an important person who is going to be there for you for 51 days. That is the best thing of our program. Who gives you a mentor who is daily attached to you? Nobody does. And Then we have access to recipe pages. Many of the people out in this world, they are doing the program because it is a global weight loss program. We have a free group of nearly 4.5 lakh people, in which people are there from all the countries, because it is a popular program of Australia, America, Canada, USA, UK, London, Europe, and Japan, and now in India, and many people from Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, you name any country, Fiji Islands, even in Africa. So people are doing this program, and it was awarded the best weight loss program of Australia last year. And if you go onto my profile, you would see in October I shared a post in which a man who had a massive weight, his name was Thomas Tennety, and he lost a great amount of weight via our program. He was very huge, he could not move, and when he did our gut health program, he was covered by the news channels as well. Our program is very popular all over the globe, and people are getting wonderful results. So if you also want to be part of the free weight loss group, it is just an inspiration group. If you want to be part, you can always drop in comments. I will add you to that group, and you can see the journey and stories of different people who have done weight loss all over the world in that group. So you just have, and it is a free group, it is an obligation free group. It is just to come here and watch the stories and journeys of other people. So it is a group of 4.5 lakh people, so you can just witness their journeys as well, because I'm telling you, it is one of the best weight loss programs all across the globe, and you should be feeling proud that it has now opened in India and you guys have an access to it, because earlier people were ordering their stuff from Australia and doing the weight loss. But lucky we are that it has finally launched in India, and you all can do this weight loss program if you have any gut related or weight related issues. Now, this was all about collagen. This was all about gut health. A small thing I would tell you, that we have a business opportunity as well. If you feel that you are a mother and you cannot go out, or otherwise also if you do not have any job, and if you are at home and if you feel like working, you can always connect to us, because this company has launched in India and it has a huge opportunity in India, and people are really earning great. We have our Zoom sessions running, in which we train the people. We have our team meetings, and for Indians to become a member, we do not charge a single penny. It is by the rules of the government that you can become a member for free by investing no money. So when you have nothing to invest, you have nothing to lose. So just give it a trial. If you have 2 hours, in your whole day, you are free and you can devote time to Facebook, to Instagram, or you just have time, you have a phone. That's it. Nothing else is required, and you can be a part of our wonderful weight loss program. And always you can help people all across the world, and you can earn globally as well. So this is something I wanted to share, that this is a wonderful opportunity for all the Indians out here. If you have time, if you have phone, if you have internet, this is for you. Obviously you are using Facebook, you are using WhatsApp, right? That means you are devoting time to this, you are devoting time to Instagram. Why not earn money using them? And if you have time, do write in comments, and I would surely connect to you. So that was all from my side. I hope I have given some value to you, and you all get inspired. And if you have any queries, do write in. This was Rohini signing off and saying goodbye. Thank you, Nikita, for giving me this pleasure and inviting me here on your page. It has been lovely addressing your audience. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.